Hey everyone, this is the Prusa tower. This is the Prusa engine. MK4S, Prusa engine. 200 millimeters. It took me 9 hours. 9 hours. Thank you so much. Este es el motor de Prusa. Me demoré 9 horas. 9 horas. Muchísimas gracias y hasta la próxima. Lo que tú ves ahí, estos son los soportes. Este es el Reality High. Gracias por todo. This is the Reality High. These are the 3 supports. This took me over 9 hours. It's about to finish. Está a punto de terminar. And it finished. Y ya terminó. Thank you so much. And it finished. Y ya terminó, and it goes back to the filament system, to the AMS or the FMS, the CMS. Look at how this looks. It's amazing. Wow. Thanks so much. Take care, you guys. And this is the MK4 engine. Enjoy.